Hi, this is Nature Minute. We made Nature Minute because we think nature's really neat and we want you all to know.
Yeah.
This is a dog. You can tell it's a dog because the way it is. Wow. These are the ducks. I'm going to attempt to catch one. Raccoons live here. That's pretty neat. One time my grandpa got eaten by a fish. He died. Homeless man! Homeless man! Hey there, thanks for watching this week's Nature Minute, everybody. Next week, tune in and we'll discuss ants and how they work. Thanks.